phylum. Next phylum, platyhelminths. Helminths commonly we call worm. Helminths commonly we call the worm. Okay, worm cylindrical structure like so that we call the worm. And platy, plate पता है flat होता है घर पे, right? Plates are flat. So name given on the basis of that, platyhelminths commonly we called flat worms because they have flattened body. आप leaf देखो, leaf structure on both the sides actually it is flattened structure. कोई भी side से swollen नहीं है, right? So that's why remember leaf-like structure, dorso-ventrally flattened body. So commonly we call flatworms. Habit. Here I am calling this word. Remember habitat नहीं. Habitat meaning what? The place where organism live. Habit meaning what? In this place, organism behavior. Producer है, consumer है, right? Here parasitic form. So mostly, that's why we call habit. Mostly they are endoparasite. Endoparasite meaning this organism. Endoparasite meaning this or endoparasite meaning
habitat or habitat.
Habitat meaning the organism in which live, like water hai, land hai, that we call that habitat. And habit meaning in this habitat, how they behave, right? So mostly endoparasite in nature. Endoparasite meaning they live inside the host. They live inside the host. इन गुजराती पता है छोटे बच्चों के लिए करमिया आपने अगर सुना है छोटे बच्चे के लिए इन स्टमक the worm like structures are formed, right? Karamia in Gujarati Kruvi Karamia bolte, if you know this. It's a one kind of this. So mostly endoparasite found in animals including humans. Now वो host के अंदर तो आ गया animals के अंदर. So it needs a structure to remain stick, to remain attached with the host cell. So it can easily derive the nutrition from the host cell. For that, it possesses two structures. For that, it possesses two structures. These structures we call hooks and sucker. If you can make out over here in this diagram, these are the hooks-like structure in this way. And here the suckers are there. Suckers, if I can give you example, you know the vacuum cleaner, पता है आपको? Vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaner कैसे suck करता है? Pressure कितना high होता है, right? Same way, this sucker attach onto the host cell and suck the nourishment with that forcefully. Suck the nourishment. It suck the blood. Next, it absorbs nutrients from the host directly to their body surface. Then next, symmetry, bilateral symmetry. See, organism cut by any one plane of axis over here. Body organization, remember, up to Ctenophora, bilateral symmetry. But now the organisms, all platyhelminths start, okay, it's all up to chordates are triploblastic. Next, these platyhelminths are acoelomate. Acoelomate, can you tell me? In the, see, triploblastic है, ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm condition. Here, mesoderm is remain intact. Suppose this is endoderm, mesoderm and ectoderm. Mesoderm में cavity form नहीं हो रहा है. That's why we can't say the coelomate condition. If cavity form, we call coelomate. If cavity does not form, we call acoelomate condition. See in this picture. First one. ऑर्गेनिज्म है यहाँ पे, फ्लैट वर्म है ये, प्लेनेरिया. उसका यहाँ पे ट्रांसवर्स सेक्शन लिया है. इफ यू कैन मेक आउट, देखो आपके पास सपोज पेन है, पेन या पेंसिल इन दिस फॉर्म, आप उसको यहाँ से कट कर दो और सिंपल आप घर पे सैंडविच बनाते हो ना, टोमेटो कुकुम्बर, तो पता है उसके थीन स्लाइस करते, तो उसका हमें ऐसे सर्क्यूलर, कुकुम्बर भी सिलिंड्रिकल फॉर्म है, but when we take a transverse section we get circular in appearance. Same way over here, ये भी देखो cylindrical में ही आता है, but when we take a section circular in form. Now in this, if you can make out, 3 germinal layers are there: bluish color ectoderm, red mesoderm, and the yellow endoderm. So all these 3 layers are intact. Mesoderm पूरा cell से filled up है. In that coelom is not formed. That's why we call it's a acoelomate condition in platyhelminths. Acoelomate condition in which one? Platyhelminths. बोलिए, clear है? Now next. Unique features, that is first flame cell. Acoelomate, and one thing, body organization in organ level. Up to the Ctenophora tissue level organization. Porifera cellular, cylindrate Ctenophora tissue level. And now in platyhelminths only organ level of organization. Organ formation start. Next, unique feature, they possess flame cells. They possess flame cells. Flame cells, why we call the flame? That cell's name given flame. So see over here, this cell is a flame cell. In this part, ciliated structure is present, and this ciliated structure, its look, it continuously, अब देखो, it's a look like a, when this cilia start moving, that start moving in this way, okay, one direction to the other. तो आपने फ्लेम देखा होगा, फ्लेम का मूवमेंट जैसे होता है, राइट? सेम वे ओवर हियर द मूवमेंट वी कैन ऑब्जर्व ड्यू टू दिस सिलियरी मूवमेंट. दैट्स व्हाई द नेम गिवन. इट्स अ वन काइंड ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर, लाइक देखो ये दिया के जैसा है, उसके अंदर ये फ्लेम है. ओके, सो दैट्स व्हाई द नेम गिवन फ्लेम सेल, राइट, on the basis of this ciliary flame movement. Next, this flame cell, आप देखो ये प्लेनेरिया है, सपोज फ्लैटवर्म, platyhelminths. Inside that, on both the side, these flame cells are present. When we elaborate the structure, look like this. So these flame cells, देखो ये क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे बॉडी में जो है, inside the body, whatever the waste is there, this waste is collected by this, blue is a waste, is collected by this green color structure and then pour into this red color tube like structure and then release outside. So these flame cells that helps in excretion and osmoregulation. Flame cells helps in excretion and osmoregulation. See one more time. Flatworm body, just आप imagine कर देना. On the both the sides of the body, here the tubular structure is present. Next, here these flame cells are there. In this part, body cavity is there. Body cavity meaning not that long. Okay, the gap is there in which the waste material is present over here. So this waste material is absorbed by this one. They take the waste product. Excretion का meaning होता है remove the nitrogenous waste product either in the form of ammonia, urea or uric acid. That we call excretion. So it collects the waste material from here and then pour into this tube, and this tube will open outside. So phlegm cells that helps in excretion as well as osmoregulation. Osmoregulation meaning what? It maintains the salt and water concentration inside the body. It maintains salt and water concentration inside the body. Then some members like planaria possess high regeneration capacity. Planaria, you know that in planaria, first see, entire planaria when divided into three parts: anterior, middle and posterior, right? Anterior, middle and posterior. From the anterior part, if you can make out, middle and posterior part is formed. From the middle part, anterior and posterior part is formed. And from the posterior part, anterior and middle is formed. So fragmentation occurs. With regeneration, the lost part is reformed. Lost part is reformed. And by this way, the new planaria can form. That we call regeneration capacity. That's we call regeneration capacity. आपने सुना होगा lizard. Lizard में पता है tail can regenerate. Same way over here. Lizard में ऐसा है कि tail में से lizard develop नहीं हो सकता. Lizard can develop tail. Right? यहाँ पे each and every fragment can develop entire planaria. It's a high regeneration capacity. Next, reproduction is a dioecious. See, first of all, organisms are dioecious, sexes are separated. आपने, if you remember, Porifera, Coelentrates and Ctenophora, उसमें क्या थे? Sexes are not separated. Now remember, sexes are separated. Fertilization internal and development through many larval stages. Not one single larval stage, but many larval stages. In that, one of the example of this liver fluke. Okay, one of the example of liver fluke. If you can make out over here, egg convert into first larva that we call miracidium. Then next, miracidium convert into sporocyst. Then radia, cercaria, and then metacercaria. First, note down larva name miracidium. Second, sporocyst. Third, radia. Fourth, cercaria. Fifth, metacercaria. See how many larval stages, right? Many. So reproduction in that, remember, many larval stages are there. One of the example over here that this life cycle of liver fluke. Next examples, Taenia, tapeworm, Fasciola, liver fluke, and third example, remember, which is the main one given over here, planaria. दिस इज द tapeworm. लुक वाइज पता है मेजरिंग टैप आता है उसके जैसा दिखता है ये. It's a long tape-like structure. So name given tapeworm. This is liver fluke. Over here that sucker is present. So with this I have concluded phylum Platyhelminths. Okay, clear है? Phylum Platyhelminths. Any doubt? Jaimin, Maitri, Ayushi.
No, ma'am.
Arpita, Sakshi, Shubh,
No, ma'am.
Kirtan.
No, ma'am.
Okay. Ascalmanthus we will do next time. Right? See, I will send this PPTs in PDF format in group, right? In this up to Ascalmanthus. Next time I will send the after that Annelida. Okay.
मैम ये पिक्स भी भेजोगे ना?
हाँ, entire. Okay, everything. One thing, those have not collected their book 33 years. Last time I am telling you, right? Please collect your book, 33 years book, in which the NEET MCQs are given. You will have to solve that.
मैम उसमें हम टिक कर सकते हैं ना बुक में?
हाँ, आपकी बुक है.
ओके.
मैम उसमें एक तो डाउट्स
हाँ, किसमें?
नीट 33
NEET book नहीं. Yes, I will arrange that session. Okay, अभी जो लोग नहीं कर रहे बुक कलेक्ट तो उनका अभी मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकती. जितने भी आप सबने कलेक्ट कर लिया, मेजॉरिटी हैव कलेक्टेड, सो वी विल अरेंज. आपको मैंने मैसेज सेंड किया था चैप्टर 1, 2 and 8 दैट यू विल हैव टू सॉल्व. 3 भी सॉल्व कर देना. अभी चैप्टर 3 पार्ट 1 का टेस्ट तो होगा है ना आपका. चैप्टर 3 पार्ट 1, राइट? यस. चैप्टर 3 पार्ट 2, in that gymnosperm, angiosperm and alternation of generation, these 3 topics. Gymno, angio and alternation of generation, right? So chapter 3 भी start कर देना. So within a one session we can solve all the doubts. Once the chapter 3 part 2 test over, I will arrange that session for all these 4 chapters, right? And actually I am waiting for that offline classes. 15 days जाने दो, then we will start offline classes. In that, see, in this, one thing that I'm waiting for that offline classes. Within next 15 days, I will start offline classes if conditions remain normal, right? And at that time, I will conduct NEET test, MCQs, right? Goodbye.